I'm Pam Terrell and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make type of pasta, noodles, but not actually pasta. So they make them out of zucchini and root vegetables, carrots. There's all kinds of things that you can spiralize that look like pasta that you can use in pasta dishes that actually are quite delicious. Today, in case you've never seen it done, I kind of just want to show you what a spiralizer is and how easy it is to make your own spiralized vegetables. We're going to do a sweet potato today, and then in a later video I'm going to do a recipe out of my book called Whole 4 Meals, and it's on page 42. And we're going to end up making a pasta dish with it, and the sweetness from the sweet potato is incredible. It tastes quite different than just using zucchini noodles. Okay, so I will link this below. And also, if you want to subscribe to my channel, please feel free to do that at the link below. So this is called I believe, Spiralizer, and there's several different ones out there. And what you want to do is you kind of want a flat edge, because one edge is going to go here. And the other edge, there's this piece here that has these, spikes sticking out of it, basically. And that's what's going to hold it in place as you turn this lever and make the zucchini. The pasta. And there's different blades. This is one blade. And then there's a couple different ones. But like I said, there's different ones out there on the market. So basically, you push that in about the center of it, and there's these plunger type things that you want to push down really hard to make sure that it's secure and doesn't go flying, basically. Okay, now here's where you get your little workout in. You just start spinning it with a little bit of pressure to push it into the blade. So with just a little pressure, and you can already see it coming out the other side in these beautiful noodles. They call them zoodles when they use zucchini. But like I said, this is a sweet potato, and you could even bake these like sweet potato fries. We are going to bake these for the recipe, because you wouldn't really eat these raw like you would some of the others. Like if you did cucumbers or zucchinis, you could do those raw, but I am going to cook these sweet potato ones. So it's as simple as that. And then I do break them apart because that's a pretty long string there. So I just use my hand, break them apart a little bit. Okay, and then I have a baking sheet here that is lined with parchment paper because I do not use aluminum foil. So I'm just going to sprinkle them out on there, and I'm going to sprinkle a little sea salt, and I'm going to bake these in the oven at 425 and spread them out pretty good, as you can see. And they're only going to cook for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes at 425. And then you're going to have these really amazing, soft, sweet noodles to do with what you like. Okay, so that's what we've got for today, and it's as easy as that to make noodles. So that truly was playing with food, right? So now it's your turn to go play with some food.